This is how you can use ChatGPT as your study partner. So I start out by telling it that I need to memorize English and Spanish terms for fish names. The first thing I ask is for it to give me a bilingual table with 10 river fish names. I get this table and then I would try and learn these terms. And now I want ChatGPT to be my study partner. So I ask it to quiz me. It starts by giving me this quiz where I have all the terms in Spanish and the terms in English, and I think I'm supposed to match them. So I reply by just matching one of the terms, and it tells me that it's correct. Now it learns that I don't want to have the entire list of terms, even without me saying so. And so now it's giving me just one term for me to identify in Spanish, and then it's giving me all the options in English. I give it the answer, and it confirms that it's correct. And it continues with the same method, the same system. I give it the answer, but it's an incorrect answer this time. So I get, no, that's incorrect, and I get the correct answer here. Then it gives me, again, in the same format, the term and all the options to pick from. And now I don't want to do that anymore, so I say, just quiz me, but don't give me the options. Or don't give me options. It says sure, and so now it gives me all the terms, some in English, some in Spanish, and it expects me to say what the corresponding translation is. And I reply with one at a time. So, okay, now here's your first question. What's drought in Spanish? When I give the answer, trucha, it tells me that it's correct, and now it picks up from there and it continues to ask for the individual terms. I was doing this on my phone, so I made a typo. Instead of catfish, I typed cattish, and it says close, but the correct answer is catfish. And it reinforces the English and Spanish term, and here comes the next question. When I say that I don't remember, it gives me the translation. And now, what's the next one? Give it the answer. When I get to this one and I say no idea, it gives me the answer. And it also gives me the next question. So I keep going like that. And this would be a great way to use artificial intelligence to learn terminology. I can think of ways to improve the prompts or to add other prompts, such as, for example, make sure that you ask all the terms in random order at least twice. And then after that, just ask me the terms that I didn't get right the first time around. It would be interesting to see what I get when I try that. But I think this is an interesting experiment to show us the kinds of things that we can do with artificial intelligence to help us with our preparation for interpreting.